There is no quick video on the internet that explains how to adjust this right here. It's a Rainbird 5000 sprinkler head, and there's only one way to really adjust them. Rainbirds are fixed to the left, meaning that you have to physically move the sprinkler head where you want it, and then that's where it'll stop to the left. And then if you want to adjust the right side, you can do that with this little screw here. This arrow shows where the sprinkler nozzle is. Turn it all the way to the right, and that's its far right limit. And now turn it all the way to the left, and that's his far left limit. Now we're gonna physically move the far left limit. All right, so unscrew this, pull out the whole assembly. Be careful not to get any dirt in there. And then you're gonna spin it to where that new arrow is pointing to your new direction. And you can screw it back in. This will turn a little bit, but you've already set your new left, and that's what matters. So once it's screwed back in, you can use this little tool here and put it into that hole. Turn it halfway and lift up the sprinkler. Now I can't do it because I'm holding the phone, but if you grab that bottom section with one hand and this top section with another, you'll be able to determine your left and right limits. You can also do it without the tool just by spinning this head left and right. And then boom, stops. So now the left is set. Now when you go over to the right, if you need to adjust that, you just grab your handy dandy little tool, stick it in the back here, and you can adjust to the left, and you can see it slowly moving. Doesn't take much, and then that'll be your new right. All right, cool. So hopefully that helps you. If you like that, do me a favor and like the video so other people can find it.